Hi friends, welcome to my channel Loh. Today we will learn about the Arabic alphabet Lam. Lam is the 23rd Arabic alphabet. Let's watch Lam. Hi, my name is Lam. Lam, Lam, Lam. You can spell Lam in English as L-A-A-M. Lam. It sounds like the English alphabet L. L for lamb. Lam. How to pronounce Lam? To produce Lam sound, the front portion of the tongue will touch the back side of the upper teeth. Lam, Lam. The words starting with Lam are Laham means meat, Loz means almond, and Lisan means tongue. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye friends.